with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing from Inloveart. So you know, guys, how much I love their stuff, and so they approached me to ask if I wanted to do another collaboration, and I've said yes, of course, because they have some really fun new goodies, and I just knew that those would be perfect for upcoming videos, especially since I know how much you guys love Christmas. So in the description box below you will find all the links to these products as well as a discount code, so go and check it out and go and check them out because like I said, they've got really good price and really cool products. So I'm trying to see if I was trying to see how I could open this thing up. So this here is a pack of Christmas papers, and check out how cute these are. Even this, which is technically the front page, you know, of course I'm going to be using that because it's just so pretty. So here we go. We've got 2 sheets of each of the papers. How pretty are those? And look here, you could use these as the topper image. Like, you don't have to use this as the paper, you can use this as the topper. So I just thought that was really cool. Trying for you guys to see the name, what it says. Aren't these pretty? I fell in love with them. This could go with anything, it doesn't have to be Christmas. In itself, it's just so pretty. I love the vintagey look to it. So you can tell that this upcoming Monday we will be making Christmas cards again because, well, you know, we're getting close to Christmas. And we will be using this gorgeous paper. So, isn't that pretty? I really love them so much. So much. So that's the first thing I got. Put this back before I mess it up. And I forget what's in what. And then I got this die set because I just thought it was really a great set, and it's all little tags that you can use, so you can actually cut those out. And I thought even for gift tags they would be really awesome, and they've got this kind of scalloped edge, but like I said, they've got the holes, so it would be perfect for a gift. And then I got these here, which is a set of deco stickies. So you've got a bunch of different stamps, but not stamps, stickers. And how cool are those for Christmas card toppers? Aren't they just adorable? I knew that you guys would just love these as much as I do. There's so many great ones, so really fun. So you've got the ones that are more glassine type of thing, which you see the outside, and then you've got some that are more opaque in the same designs. So super cute little toppers, and maybe they see it here. Oh, and see, they've got a big one that you could use. So I just think it's really fun, and if you know people that love to make Christmas cards, these are great to put into little stocking stuffers. And then I got this here, which had it was a Santa set of Christmas stamps, and so you've got some fun some fun sentiments. So tell me what you really want. Santa Claus is coming to town. Dear Santa, I want it all. Don't stop believing. And then you've got the little images that are just so cute. So cute. Then I got this here, which is a die set. But let me pull this out. So it has this beautiful tree and then this type of globe. So kind of like a snow globe. And then you can do the tree. So you could do this in one color and then the base. And then put the tree inside. And if you wanted to be really fancy, which would be a very cool idea now that I'm saying this, would be to put a plastic and then put some snow or sequins or something that you could shake. So make a shaker card out of this would be a great idea. And then finally, this paper pack, which is all fabulous blues. And I don't know if you've seen me recently make cards, but I've been struggling to try to find good blues for my cards. Because a lot of the times they're more like turquoise, the blues that I have in my paper packs. I've got a feeling I'm going to tear the paper, the plastic, and I won't be able to put it back. But this one, I felt like it's real blues. So there's some teal, but there's mostly real dark blues that would be perfect for all those Christmas cards that I've been making. Because I have a lot of this type of color, but I don't have this type of color. I just haven't been able to find in all of my packs anything that looked like this. So I just thought this was a fabulous pack. And again, there's 2 sheets of each. So I can't wait to make cards out of this. So watch out for future card videos. They are coming and we shall have fun playing with these. And in the meantime, go and check out all the wonderful things that they have in the store. They keep having new items all the time, so definitely go and check them out. I want to put it back so that I don't mix up my papers. So go and check them out and use a discount code and enjoy, because you might have a little bit more things that you pick up because it is hard to resist. But yeah, they have some really cool stuff, especially like right now with Christmas stuff. They have a lot of it. So go and check them out and I will see you guys soon. Bye.